சொல்லு.
Hi friends, today we make a banana pancake. First we see the ingredients. Wheat flour, jam, health mix, bowl, onion and mix, banana and mixer and sugar. Break the egg. Mom, carefully, okay? Now, put in the banana. Let's mix. And mix it. Before mixing, add milk and sugar. Mix, mix, mix. Mix. Look, it's so creamy.
Mix it nicely.
And now the batter is ready. It's so
See.
creamy. And let's make pancake. Okay.
Now,
We need to keep the pan on the stove. Pour some ghee and to it. So pan is heated. We need to pour some ghee. Please do try it to your home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.